Hello again. This is lesson 24, page 1. All right, let's take a look. Now we're dealing with multiples, and as we were talking in class today, multiples and factors can be confusing if you don't have a way to keep them separated. So let's take a look at the multiples. If you remember, multiples were like skip counting when you're in kindergarten, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Those are all the numbers of multiples of 5. Those are all the numbers you land on. Or you can think of it as multiples like multiply. I'm taking the number 5 and multiplying it by 1, multiplying it by 2. And those results are my multiples. So let's take a look at what you did here. So it says time yourself, hopefully you did, for 1 minute. See how many multiples you can write. Write the multiple of 5 starting from 75. Well, if I started from 75, so I start 75, that is a multiple of 5 because it ends 5. So 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, okay, and so forth. You keep going. All right, then let's write the multiples of 4 starting from 40. So that would be 40, 44, putting 4 more on, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72. All right, let's go to write the multiples of 6 starting from 24. So it'd be 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, and we could keep right on going. Multiples, we can keep going and going. Okay, list the numbers that have 30 as a multiple. Okay, so basically we're trying to see all those numbers we skip count by that have 30 as a multiple. Well, can I skip count by 1 and land on 30? So 30 is a multiple of 1. Is 2, can we skip count by 2 and land on 30? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So 30 is a multiple of 2. Is 30 a multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, because 3 times 10 is 30. Is 4? Can we skip count by 4? So is 30 a multiple of 4? Is anything times 4 30? 4 times 7 is 28? No. Can I skip count by 5 and get to 30? 5, 10, well, it ends in 0. We already know the answer to that question. Yes, 5 times 6 is 30. Is 30 a multiple of 6? Yes, it is. Because 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Can 30 be a multiple of 7? No. 4 times 7 is 28. The next one would be over. Would 8? Can we use 8? Can 30 be a multiple of 8? No. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. Can 9? No, because 3 times 9 is 27. So the next 9 would be over 30. How about 10? Is 30 a multiple of 10? 10, 20, 30. Yes. All right. Is 11? No, 11 times 3 is 33. 12? No, 3 times 12 is 36. 13? No, 2 13s is 26. 14? 2 14s is 28. 15? Yes, 2 15s is 30. So, and of course that would be one of the larger ones. That's half of 30. So then, if that's half of 30, what do you think is going to be the next one? Now, looking at our list, you're right. 30 is also a multiple of 30. What happens? What do you know? What produces the multiples? We all know that these are the factors. So each of these factors, if we skip count by the factor of that number, we know that it produces that multiple. Okay? All right, so number 3, use mental math, division, or the associative product to solve. Okay? Well, is 12 a multiple of 3? Can we skip count by 3 and land on 12? Sure. 3, 6, 9, 12. So, yes. Okay? Is 48 a multiple of 8? So you have to skip count by 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Yes. Is 56 a multiple of 6? 6. Well, let's jump a little bit. What's 5 times 6? 5 times 6 is 30, so let's start at 30. 30 plus 6 more is 36. Plus 6 more equals 42. Plus 6 more is 48. Plus 6 more is 54. Nope, it will not land because the next one will be 60. So that would be no. Is 3 a factor of 12? Meaning, can we skip count by 3 and land on 12? 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, of course it is. If 12 is a multiple of 3, then 3 is a factor of 12. Same thing here. If 48 is a multiple of 8, then is 48... Can we reverse that? Is 48 a factor of 8? Well, no, it would have to be reversed. We could say 8 is a factor of 48, but 48 is not a factor of 8. It's still a multiple. So that would be no. Is 6 a factor of 56? Well, 56 wasn't a multiple of 6, so it certainly can't be a factor. Okay. Number 4. Can a prime number be a multiple of any other number except itself? Explain your reasons why. So let's take a close look. Can a prime number be a multiple of any other number except itself? Well, let's look at the factors for a prime number. Let's take the prime number 5. So the only factors are 1 times 5. So the only way we can get to 5 is skip counting by itself, 5. So we skip count by 5, we land on it. But it said not just only itself. Is there another number? Yes, we can skip count by 1. So we can skip count by 1. So is this true? Can a prime number be a multiple of any other number except itself? Sure, it's a it's a multiple of 1 also. Alright, this concludes page 1 of lesson 24. If you need page 2, go into the next video.